With 25% fewer bars than other lanterns, the Ultrasky Lantern is perfect for orangeries or flat roof extensions to create a focal point in the room below. The strong and secure aluminium glazing bars use isolating thermal clips and secure fit end caps to provide a thermal barrier. The aluminium ridge is super strong, meaning 25% fewer bars are needed than other lanterns for better sightlines. Ultrasky's unique storm shield provides triple layers of protection against extreme weather at the ridge ends. Strong reinforced glass stops support the UV-resistant glazing. Neatly concealed, the high-performance Q-Lon gaskets deliver a long-lasting, weather-tight seal to prevent water ingress. Slimline internal and external ridge covers easily click into position. With a 25-degree pitch for elegance and optimum light, the Ultrasky Lantern is fast and easy to install. The thermally sleeved eaves rail eliminates any cold bridging, just one of many thermal breaks that sets Ultrasky apart from the competition. The Ultrasky Lantern uses performance engineering to combine strength, warmth and maximum light for an all-round exceptional product.